Welcome. In front of me is a CMF Phone 1, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM and SD card into this phone. Before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which looks exactly like this one. Very cool. Props to CMF for giving us some special flair to their little tools. But in any case, you need to grab one. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, actually on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, right over here, where the pin is holding. Now, just to kind of showcase this, there is a couple areas where you might want to insert this into. You want to use it, insert it into the cutout area, so right over here. From there, push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out, and now for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, at least at the top side, you have space for your SIM card. So grabbing it, you can just clip it into place. Make sure it's clipped in. It should be laying flush and should not be falling out. And then flipping it over, upside down, we have a space for another SIM card, which would go sideways like so. And obviously a dedicated SD card. So I'm gonna place SD here. Again, also make sure it's clipped into place. You can squeeze it in. There we go. And then insert it back into your device. There we go. And these cards, there we go, just work instantaneously, as you almost seen. So it's prompting me to put in my SIM card pin. I'll do so right now to unlock the SIM card. So SIM is obviously working, and in terms of SD card, we do have a notification, I believe, somewhere here. Yep, there we go. Samsung SD card, so it is detecting the card as well. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.